guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this afternoon, I'm gonna teach you how to make delicious dessert which is Yema Cake. So here are the ingredients. Okay, for the sponge cake, so we have 1 cup of white sugar. And this is 1 cup and 1/4 cup of flour. And this is 3 whole eggs, 3 tablespoons of butter, lemon leaves optional, and vanilla essence. Hindi na po natin isi-separate yung egg white at saka yung egg yolk. So napakadaling gawin lang po ang sponge cake. So hindi po siya ganun kahirap gawin. Just mix the whole eggs, the 3 whole eggs, hanggang mag-double po ng size siya. Ayan. Dumoble na po ng size ng ano natin, eggs. So, all you have to do is to pour the sugar. Ayan. Little by little lang po. Just put a little bit of vanilla essence. So yan, na-reach na po natin yung soft peak po niya. So later, we will stop mixing and then we will add the flour. Okay? Okay, pour it in a pan. Okay, let's bake it at around 375 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay? Okay, and for the Yema frosting, we have 3/4 cups of fresh milk, 2 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 lemon leaves optional, and vanilla essence. Okay, so pagsasamahin lang po natin ng mga ingredients for Yema frosting. So ito po yung condensed milk, egg yolk, butter, tapos yung lemon leaves po. So optional lang po yan. Tapos medium low heat lang po tayo. Yan, para hindi po masunog ang ating yema. So mamaya po, idadagdag ko po itong milk para po sa consistency po ng ating yema frosting. Para makita natin kung malapot ba siya o hindi. So saka po tayo magdadagdag ng milk. Ito na po ang ating sponge cake. grated cheese. Okay, so ito na po ang ating delicious Yema Cake.
Sarap. Yema Cake. Pa. Init. Ayan, asa? Ayan, okay. Okay na yun,
So, ayaw po nagustuhan nyo yung video at nabusog ang inyong mga mata. At madali lang naman po talaga no? Nakita nyo naman po yung mga ingredients, yung procedure ng paggawa ng Yema sponge cake. So, kaya if I were you, gawin nyo po yan. Nakakabusog at pang dessert yan sa pamilya. So to end this video, maraming salamat. And do not forget to like it, subscribe, always remember, hit the bell notification. And as we end this, do not forget, eat, vlog, sleep, and repeat! Bye!